our next video, we're gonna go south down John Ringling Boulevard, back towards downtown Sarasota. So we're gonna merge onto John Ringling Boulevard, go over the causeway. Watch out for pedestrian. Watch out for cyclists. Because I can get you right side. I haven't seen had you see the right side yet. So that's St. Armands Circle. Whoop. Very interesting. Dress shoes with shorts. Oh yeah. Sorry. I don't want to park. What do you got? Lotus? Restaurant. Okay, here's Monroe Drive. No stop sign. Crossing Monroe Drive. Washington Drive. We're going to turn left, do a U-turn here. If you go straight, it's just more in a residential area. Yes, in fact it is. Let's go into residential area, get you some footage. I know you're interested, so let's do it. Oh, I should have left my glasses on. These videos are great for looking at real estate too, if you're interested in moving to a particular neighborhood. Like see, here's for sale on the left side. Left side, I don't know. Left side is waterfront. I'll have to find out. Okay, there's Monroe again. Nah, I don't think left side is waterfront. Unless there's a canal back there. This is for rent on the side. Vacation Connection. Vacation Connection. 387-9709. 509. 509 is the address. Whatever road we're on. So that's pretty good. Check out the real estate. Won't be going to Lido Beach, will be to the left side. Some really nice people right there. Wonderful. That's pretty much now you've seen it all from the other videos to here. St. Armands Square, Circle, Shopping, Surf Shack, Restaurant. It's dinner time. Circus clown for hire. Okay, this is gonna work out perfect. All right, we did turn right there before. This time I'll go straight. Good. 789 South. They both work good. Right lane must turn right. Oh my God. No. Wait. Huh. Alright, so John Ringling Parkway now. 789 South. Right here. And the John Ringling Causeway up there. You probably can't do that. What? Might go ahead and see if we get into Bird Key over there, into the houses over there to the right. There's John Ringling Causeway over there. The park in the previous videos. Park on the left side. Bird Key Drive. We're going for it, man. Bird Key Drive, mixed signal. Drive, we turn right. We're in Bird Key now. Alright, so if you're looking for real estate in Bird Key, Sarasota, right by the John Ringling Causeway, this is it. See what we can find for you. Go ahead and restart the video here. Alright guys, so check out the next video since we'll be in here probably about 20 minutes, alright? This is, we ended up at Bird Key. We left from the border of Sarasota and Longboat Key city limit, and that's it. Look for the